What's going on, folks? Guddang 775, just a mama boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I got a comparison video. Actually, I'm uploading two videos today. It's Gamescom. I'll be doing a Gamescom Xbox reaction video. I'll be uploading that tonight. But as of right now, I'm doing a comparison between the Bluedio U2 and the Treblab Z2s. Okay, this is like my new, kind of like my new series, the Versus series of headphones, and I'm gonna go ahead and pair this up with the Bluedio U2 first. I love how this thing pairs up. This is by far one of the I think it's the fastest pair of headphones that I have that pairs up really quick. I'll let you folks listen to the sound again. So I'm gonna enable Bluetooth on my phone. Then as soon as I turn on the Bluedio U's, listen to this.
Power on. Airing. Speakers connected.
So fast. And don't mind my cats. They're still getting used to that little my little stray that we picked up the other day. They've already met now. She's pretty much dominating the other two female cats. So I'm just let them establish dominance. You know, they'll be fine. They won't hurt each other. They'll be meowing and stuff in the background, but don't mind that. No, but seriously, okay, I got these paired up. So let's listen to a couple songs really quick. Then I'm gonna give you my my take on. Then I'm gonna switch you to the Treblab Z2s. Yes. Okay, my usual music, non-copyright music. This is full blast, yo. And then I am going to put it. Now, since I got the G7, this thing's got wonderful audio playback. So I'm gonna turn up the notch. And where's my settings? I'm gonna turn on DTS:X surround. Where is it? Oh, that's right. Is that it right there? Oh yeah, it is. DTS:X surround, and I like my music coming from the side. Listen to this. Oh, that's super loud, but I love it. I'm going deaf anyway, so might as well, you know, be happy and go deaf. But no, seriously, this thing does get super loud, and the volume on this thing, I think this is the loudest pair of headphones I have now, even edging out the Treblab Z2s. Now these are slightly louder than that of my Bluedio F2s, but it's still not on the level of the Bluedio U2s. Keep in mind, this was $100. Oh my gosh! Stop! Hey! Psst. You don't make me come out. Seriously, my cats are. I am going to love them after this. No, seriously. But the Bluedio U2s and the Treblab Z2s volume edge goes to the Bluedio U2s. Okay. But yeah, that's plain and simple. Now, when it comes to the build quality of the Bluedio U2s, okay, compared to the Treblab Z2s, I'm gonna have to pick the Bluedio U2 just because it's got more metal. Now, this thing is more spry, and I think it's more bendable, while this is more rigid. Yeah, it's not as bendable, so this will break. If you go like that, you twist it hard, it'll break. This, you could probably twist it a fair bit further, but I'm not gonna push it because I don't wanna break my freaking expensive headphones that I bought. So, let's listen to another song real quick, then we'll switch over to the Z2s, the other song. What can I say? Right now, it's like tied as being my favorite pair of headphones. Actually, my Ghost Tech Raptor Wireless is my favorite because the audio quality of that thing is like superb. But this thing is right up there with that the Bluedio U2s. Now let's switch over to the Treblab Z2, so I am going to make sure I turn the Bluedio U2 off.
Power off.
I love the audio prompts on the Bluedio U2. They're very, very distinct and loud. So now I'm gonna turn on my Treblab Z2s. Now this thing takes a little bit while. Well, it's slower to pair than the Bluedio U2s because Bluetooth 4.2, but this thing is still fast. So let's go ahead. Let's get the setting page out. Usually it takes a settings. I'm just gonna where's the connect? Oh, there we go. Connected device. I couldn't find it on my phone. Okay, so cats. Hey. Psst. Oh my! I should lock them up in like the garage or something when I do this stuff.
Power on. Pairing. Connected.
You see that difference? It was a bit longer. It took a little bit longer than the Treblab than the Bluedio U2s. But let's go ahead and listen to the same songs. If I can find the song. Why did I close the app? Okay, let's try the second song first. Again, we're gonna enable DTS:X surround side by side. There you go. It's on. Full blast. These might sound a little louder on the microphone because you see how I dropped my earphone. Okay, I had to do a little jump cut right there because my cats were really getting into it. I had to kind of separate them a little bit. I have my little air spray thing. You just give them like a quick blast in their direction. Now, not directly on them, but they hate air. They hate air, so I mean that kind of calms them down a little bit and breaks it up. I had to break that up. They were like really getting into it. So no, but seriously, the Treblab Z2s, okay, might sound a little louder on the microphone because look at how the ear cups are. These ear cups, they were like this on the microphone pretty much. Now when you compare it to the Bluedio U2s, you see how you can't really like put them together like that. So on the microphone, they weren't like totally sandwiching the microphone like the Z2s were. So I can tell you for a fact though, again, if you think the Z2s are louder, no they're not. Bluedio U2 is louder. Volume, they got volume. Now when it comes to sound quality, okay, they both sound really good. When it comes to balance, I'd have to say that Z2s have a slightly more balance because on full volume, these things, the bass can overpower some of the mids and highs in some songs. It does. Well, this one does a great job of keeping the balance. Now, mids and highs, they're both the same, super clear, crystal clear. But the bass on the Bluedio U2s, I mean, it kicks, it thumps. All right, very close to the Skull Candy Crushers. All right, wireless Skull Candy Crushers. So I mean the Bluedio U2's got bass and volume while this got slightly more better balance, okay, when it comes to sound quality. And sound quality overall, what's a more pleasing experience? For me it's volume, so I'd have to go the Bluedio U2, but if you want, say, a little bit more balanced and balanced listening experience, then the Z2s is probably for you, okay? But yeah, that's sound quality. Now when I talk about comfort, comfort-wise, okay, they both are comfortable, but the one thing that the Z2 has a slight edge on is they rotate 90 degrees. So when I'm like at the, I'm out shopping and I go to the register and pay and whatnot, like I said, I like when head cups, they swivel like this, so I can easily turn because I have no neck. I have basically a chin and my shoulders. Chin and shoulders. No, seriously. But yeah, I like the swivel. While the Bluedio U2s, I love wearing them out and about as long as they're on top of my head. But when I actually got to go to the register and whatnot and pay, and they go down like this, I can't really. It's just these cups get in the way. They're not that bad though. Okay, you know what was bad? Yeah, actually no. Yeah, these are not that bad. The Sennheiser Urbanite XLs, man, those things don't swivel, and they're like big old cups. You're like, you're like that. No, but seriously, comfort-wise, around the neck, they both fine. Now, the Z2s have it. Now, when wearing them on the ear, that's the big thing. Okay. Wearing them on the ear, I'd have to give the comfort level. Wait, let me just solidify my experience. See, it's fairly comfortable. Bands sitting nice and comfortable on my head. The ears, cups, creating a perfect seal. Now, the thing is about this perfect seal, especially in the summertime, you're gonna sweat. You're gonna sweat really fast, especially if it's hot and humid like it is here in South Texas. Now, the Treblab Z2s, on the other hand, they also form a perfect seal, but these ear cups are slightly angled. I don't know if you can tell. See, these are slightly angled compared to these. See these? And when you stick them on your head, again, very comfortable. And right away, this forms a pretty darn good seal. All right. Now, as for comfort, I think the Z2s are slightly more comfortable. That's in my opinion. The Z2s ear pads, they're nice and soft, but they feel, for me, they breathe a little bit more than the Bluedio U2s. They do. The Bluedio U2s are this nice, thick, soft protein pads, which is great when you're at home, or you're commuting to work. You know, you got the headphones on and you got a long commute to work. You just listen to music. Or nice when on a brisk walk outside and on a nice, you know, fall or winter day when it's nice and cool, these things are pretty good, comfortable. But in hot summer days, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the Z2s for that because one, this is lighter, okay, lighter than this, and it puts out almost as good sound as this thing does. Okay, well, the sound is just as good, but not as loud and not as bass heavy as the Bluedio U2s. There we go. I had to clarify that. Yeah, the Bluedio U2s are a bit more heavy and these are lighter. Okay, so when comfort wise, I'd have to go with the Treblab Z2s. Now, the Treblab Z2s is also sporting another feature that the U2s don't have. Now, the U2s kind of have like a passive noise cancellation kind of thing going, you know, especially if you got it in loud volume, you pretty much can't hear pretty much too much things out there that's going on. While the Z2s, the Treblab Z2s, have active noise cancellation, and the button is right here. You just switch it on and off. Now, it's pretty much the active noise cancellation of Treblab Z2s, in my opinion, it rivals that of the Bluedio F2s. Very close, you know. I already did a comparison to that. But when you got active noise cancellation on this thing, you could turn the music up full blast and you sing along with the song. You can't hear your own words coming out of your mouth for the most part. Now, if you really yell, yeah, you're gonna be able to hear sound coming out of your mouth if you got the active noise cancellation on. But for the most part, it does a good job of drowning out the sound, and there is some slight like white noise, I guess, when there's no sound in the background, because you can actually hear active noise cancellation working. Say like when the song transitions and there's nothing in the background, you can hear a little bit of white noise. You know, it's not bad, you know. But that's the price of active noise cancellation. You're gonna hear some type of white noise when nothing's playing in the background because it's trying to drown out that sound. Okay. So yeah, that's the one thing that the Treblab Z2s have that the U2s don't, and the U2s does it. Has a noise cancellation, passive noise cancellation via being super loud. Okay, that's its noise cancellation. It blocks out sound outside because this thing is pretty loud. Now, on a serious note though, between these two, okay, which do I prefer? Okay, this is the whole point of Versus. Okay, both of these are fantastic pair of headphones. Both of these I got this year. Okay, these are gonna go in my top headphone videos of the year video coming like October, something like that. I even have my TV video coming as well as my top cell phone video of the year. So I got all of those coming around October. Yeah, pretty much October, November. But which one do I prefer between these two? for right now, since it's summertime, I'd have to go with the Treblab Z2s because these sound really good. They have active noise cancellation, and comfort-wise, okay, it breathes more. I don't know, it's just my opinion. But what I do prefer, what I really want to be listening to all the time is my U2s or my Guddang Rapture Wireless. Okay, now I'll probably do a versus video between this and my Guddang Rapture Wireless next week or a week and a half from now. We'll see. But yeah, that was my comparison video of the Treblab Z2s and my Bluedio U2s, where I do prefer the Treblab Z2s here in the summertime, spring and summertime when it's hot. That's pretty much the only reason why, because comfort-wise, it breathes more and it's lighter. Now, when it's like when I'm indoors, okay, indoors, nice AC area, or in my car, the AC blowing, nice commute to going to San Tone or something, or an airplane or whatnot. I'd even pick these on an airplane over the Treblab Z2s, even though these have noise cancellation. I just turn the volume up and I can't hear anything outside of the headphones. But yeah, that was my comparison video between the Bluedio U2 and the Treblab Z2s. Alright, like I said, spring and summer, I'm probably gonna have to go like late spring, I should say, late spring and the summer, and early fall. I'd probably have to go with the Z2s, just mainly because of comfort. Okay, you don't sweat as much. These things they breathe a little more, and they're lighter. Okay, that's the only reason why I would choose these over the U2s. Now, when it comes to pure sound output and quality, I'd have to go with the U2s, even though the bass on these things at full volume can overpower the mids and highs. At times, I still prefer the U2s over the Z2s. So yeah, that was my comparison of the Bluedio U2s and the Treblab Z2s. Both are fantastic pairs of cans. Okay, you're not going to go wrong with either of these. You're not going to be sad when you pick up either of these. Okay, these are both well worth the money. I think these are going from 70, 80 bucks right now. Totally worth it. And these are normal price around, they go for around $100, between anywhere from $80 to $100. And when they do go on sale, you can get them for like 70 bucks, which is a steal. Okay, I paid like 80 bucks for them because I had a promo code. So yeah, I'll leave links down below if you folks want to check these two pair of cans out. Both fantastic pair of cans. And I hope you folks like this video. So, like in a week and a half or 2 weeks from now, I'm going to do a Treblab Z2 versus my Guddang Rapture Wireless. Okay, comparison video. But yeah, it's Guddang775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button to subscribe to my channel for more videos here every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This is Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.